Hi guys, today I'm going to show you where you can find NetApp NS0-182 Dumps. First open your browser and type Prepare4test.com. Now go to C product section, here it is, and search for NetApp. Now search your exam code, here it is. You can also search this exam in a search bar, NS0-182. Here is all the information about this exam. If you want to check the quality of this product, download the demo version, it's free. This exam is for $59 and it's a discounted price. Thank you guys, please share this video and subscribe to our channel.